some recently laid butterfly eggs. Tell us, how's the cycle going? Show some famous biologists. They'll help explain some of the mysteries of the life cycle. So tell us. Look out, snakes coming through. Pardon us. We have some award-winning gardeners with us now. We heard you recently won a contest for growing a 500-pound kumquat. How do you do it? Patience, you can't rush nature. Ridiculous.
You can't even live without us. End of story.
Whoa. Hold on here. There's no need to fight about this. Then maybe you can get us through these animals' thick heads. How much cooler is it to be a plant? Well, that wraps up our documentary on life cycles. We hope you've learned a lot in that. Wait a minute. Oh, no. We're not going to die out when the environment changes. Aren't you being a little paranoid?
Maybe, but our motto is be prepared.
That's the motto of the Boy Scouts.
It is?
Now we're really out of time. We hope you enjoyed our show and learned lots of cool stuff about life cycles.
Here's the show.